Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to format the tables in Tableau like in Excel with the widget extensions options. It's very easy now to format the tables in Tableau just like Excel. So let's see how to use widget extensions. In the Max tab down, you just have to click on this tab down and select Add Extension. Once you select that option, you can see the pop-up window Add an extension. So we have all the different types of extensions listed here. We're going to select build by Tableau plus Salesforce. Under this, select Tableau table. Okay, and then you can read about this extension here, and just click open. Once you click open, this will ask for you to allow extension. Just click OK. So as you know, these extensions are the network enabled extensions, which is web application. If it is okay for you, click OK. Once you do that, you can see the options related to that particular extension here, a detail and a tooltip. Now I'll select the required fields like segment and bring all those dimensions or measures into this detail. Once you add that, you can see the visualization is being built. It will take a few seconds. Yeah. So you can add as many as you want. Let's say I want to add the subcategory as well, and also the category. So you can change the format. You can change the order, bringing it down. Okay. Next, if you want to add measures, you can also add measures, just like just drag and drop. Very easy. So now here we have four dimensions and three measures. So let's see how to format the each column like Excel. So if you just click here on this column, you can see the options enabled. If you want to change the font, you can change the font. You can increase the size, you can adjust the bold, and also you can change. If you want to do the settings formatting for this particular segment, you can click on this open formatting dialog. Once you click that, the options related to this particular column is opened. So you can format this column like you can use the color scale. Um, let's say I want to use 20. You can modify that. So now each item in the segment will be in a different color, and then you can change the format. You can assign a condition when to the text contains particular value, and then you can assign the shading for that condition. So this is how you can explore the formatting options for the particular column and then close. So similar like to the dimension formatting, if you click on this measure column, you can see the formatting options enabled here, and then click on the open format dialog. So you can show the formatting type to data bars instead of default value. And if you select the show mark text, you will see the labels. You can fill the bar color as you like, and also change the font. And you can assign the rule for this particular values. For example, I want to highlight the values greater than 100. So just enter 100. So you can see these the values above 100 are in a different color, and then click add rule. You can add one more rule. So like this you can do the conditional formatting. Once you're done, click close. So like this you can add formatting to each column just like in Excel. At the top here we have the search table option. If you want to search for something, you can just click say I want to search office. So this search is applicable to all the data present in this table. We also have some other options here. Formatting format extension. If you click here, so these options are related to this table. So by default, we have some of the options enabled and some are disabled. I want to show the column filters like user wanted to search on this particular column. You can enable the show column filter. Once you do that, you can see all the filter options are shown on each column. Okay, you can user can filter. So we can also provide option to download the Excel data. For example, so Excel download. Click here. You can see this option enabled. So once user clicks on this file, this option, this table will be downloaded into an Excel format. You can also include null values. So these are the options available to format this extension. Once you are done, click close. Let's say I want to download this data into Excel. You can just click here. You'll see this file is downloaded. You can also interact this file, this sheet with other sheets using action filters. Let me show you how to do that. I'm going to create one new sheet and then show sales by category, and then go to new dashboard. So in this view, I have this table. The sheet we have this Excel. It is still loading. So now I will use this sheet as a filter. Okay, and if I click on furniture, this action filter is applied to the sheet, and category it is showing only the furniture, office supplies. Okay, so this is how we can use this widget sections to format the tables in Tableau like in Excel. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel.